Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're going to be jumping in and making some AI image and video generations from scratch.
I never imagined a chase could feel this thrilling.
Using this easy to use platform called Higgsfield AI, and they have all of the image generation models. They got all the video generation models, and their video generation models also creates audio synced up. Character generation, Cinema Studio, we covered that in the last video. So we're going to be making images using one of the best, if not the best image generation model there is, Nano Banana. Look at the quality here. We're going to be making a new generation from scratch, and then we're going to be trying out two top of the line video generation models with native audio built in. We're trying out Kling 2.6 as well as WAN. Now, previously I had been working on making a nice cool video, so I've been making these image generations locally. But one of the problems with making it locally is that the quality isn't the best. For example, why is this guy's head sticking in the middle of the car? Why are these guys' heads sticking out of the windshield? I mean, generally the image looks gorgeous, but there's some serious errors there that we need to fix. So let's take this prompt, which made this beautiful image generation, and now let's try it with Nano Banana. And you get to choose the quality 2K, and that also only costs 2 credits. 4K costs 4 credits, and 1K also costs 2 credits. So the best bang for buck is 2K. I'm actually going to switch up and do 4K because I want the best for the best. And you can also do up to four generations in one batch, and that will have a selection of the best base image to choose when we go ahead and put that into our video generation model to see what happens. Now, in case you don't know, Higgsfield, they have, like I said, all of the models, and one of the good things about it is when you click on one of their images that they already have, they actually show you the prompt that was used to generate the image. So you can actually use that prompt as a baseline to write your own prompts and get a sort of similar vibe to this image or video that you choose. So back in Nano Banana now, we can see that, look at this, it's a lot more realistic. I mean, this is more true to the prompt. It's a car chase away from the police. This is a car and this is the police car, whereas locally we've got 2 police cars. So it's good, but it's not great. So as you can see, this one looks gorgeous here. We got so many options. This one looks gorgeous as well. This one also looks gorgeous. Lots of police cars in this one. I kind of want to see what happens when I make all of these images. This is a nice view. You can see the police are in the background here. So as you can see, it's kind of like a step up in quality when you go to Nano Banana using the cloud infrastructures, and you don't also need a computer to generate these images because it's all done on the cloud for you. All you need is a subscription. Pricing wise, I'm on the ultimate plan. It's actually half price at the moment, but you get 1,200 credits per month. So if you do 2K images, that's 2, so that's 600 images per month that you can make. And of course you can make videos, and we'll go through that next. So I am gonna go for this image, I think, for our video generation, because you kind of got a third person perspective. You got a car in the background. Everything looks sleek and gorgeous. So now I'm going to jump into the video generation model. So first up, we'll try out Kling, and also at the same time, we'll also be doing WAN. These guys also have native audio. So we're going to get not just the video coming to life, but the audio is going to come to life with it. So if you watched the video we made previously, we used Higgsfield Cinema Studio to make some amazing videos. Drinking a cup of tea, a mug of grog. So it looks gorgeous, but now we're going to be trying adding the audio into it in this factor. So first up, we got the image already there. I'm going to use the exact same prompt I used to generate the image just to keep it nice and clean for both models. I've got audio enabled. Duration, the longest you can get is 10 seconds with this one, and enhance the prompt is on. So it's actually going to use this AI inside to actually make your prompt better, and hopefully we'll get a better result. So this is going to cost us 20 credits, but 10 seconds of this image coming to life should be good. So I'll hit generate there. It's go ahead. It's now in the queue, and it's going to go ahead and generate it. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and also do the WAN at 2.5. Duration, I'm going to go all the way up to 15 seconds. That's one of the good things about the WAN 2.6 actually right now. And quality, I'm going to go 1080p. So we're going to be getting a 1080p 15-second video, 60 credits. So for some reason, it's not actually letting me generate this prompt. So it looks like Kling is more uncensored. So I'm going to go ahead and change it just to the local one. So one of the good things about this WAN model is you don't actually need to upload an image. You can just use the prompt. So for some reason it wasn't happy with the image I was providing. I'm going to see if the prompt itself works. So generate, and I think it might be working now. It looks like it's in progress. But in the meantime, our Kling video has already been made. That is cool. I gotta say that is cool. Now, they are a bit too smiley for me. I mean, maybe if they were going crazy, they would be smiley, but it just looks gorgeous. You got the birds flying in the background. The image has come to life. Look, the hairs flickering. The police lights are flashing. You can hear the engines also roar. It's just a beautiful generation. It's crazy how much everything's come to life. You can definitely make an action film with these kind of prompts. Just for fun, I'm actually going to do one more prompt. I'm going to go with the original video image that I made to see if I can actually make local generations with video better than it would originally. And look at that. It's actually made on WAN generation. Oh, that is cute. It's crazy how it's kept their heads outside of the windshield like we specified. We've got birds, seagulls flying in the sky. You can hear the sounds. They're driving through different scenery. It's really expanded on our baseline. They got them kissing just now. Got cliff sides coming up, mountains, and there is a chase happening. So what's good about it is if you already have some images pre-made on your computer, just like I had here, you can stick it in the video generation model itself. And I've generated like 15 seconds worth of footage. That's a really long one. That's one of the benefits of WAN. You can go up to 15 seconds and 1080p. But maybe the Kling one just looks nicer. Or is that because I was using Nano Banana instead? Maybe it's always better to use the high quality image generations to feed it into the high quality video generations. But if you already have images, you can always use them as well, just like I showed you. Now, we've got the Kling 2.6 version.
I never imagined a chase could feel this thrilling.
With you, every moment feels alive.
Oh, that is epic. That is awesome. That is awesome. What's happening there? The camera just
I never
panned
imagined
out.
a chase could feel this thrilling.
Got a little bit of dialogue.
With
That is
you,
gorgeous.
every
All right,
moment
I gotta
feels
say,
alive.
WAN, it's great. You can do 15 seconds, but Kling 2.6 with the audio and the video, just out of the box, it just ran really well, and that was gorgeous and beautiful. So what do you guys think of Higgfield AI? We just use two top-tier video generation models. We use one of the best image generation models, Nano Banana, and we even use local generations, and it all just worked out of the box. So there's so much to explore on this platform. Let me know what kind of videos and images you guys are making. Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show.
I never imagined a chase could feel this thrilling.